fair market value. Are you ready? So what is a fair market value, and why is this relevant? When you are getting investment in your company, a lot of times people are going to ascribe a future value to the company based off of hope. You say you have a couple of founders and an idea, and yet you're claiming that the idea is worth millions of dollars. Well, in fact, it's not. It's not. No one's going to really pay you to buy your company now for millions of dollars that you just thought of, for 2 weeks ago. You actually have to develop something that makes it worthwhile. But it's considered a fair market value if others are also willing to pay that valuation for it. So if you have family and friends or yourself that ascribes a certain value to the company, that's not considered necessarily a real indication that the valuation is a fair value. It's only when you have external investors that are non-related to the principals that are putting money into the company that you feel like there's a marketplace for the stock, and that the value that's paid per share is actually a fair market value. Often in contracts you'll hear, what's the fair market value, or in valuing portfolios of a VC like ourselves, we'll ascribe a fair market value to the investments we've made based off of not what the conjecture is. Like, for example, something that wouldn't be a fair market value would be something like a convertible loan note. There's a valuation placed on a convertible loan note that says that it's capped at, say, $7 or $10 million as a maximum value for the next round. And you could have a discount or something off of that value. That's not a fair market value because no one's actually paying that much money for that stock that they're loaning you money for. So what's the fair market value is if somebody comes in and says, okay, we are going to price this round, and there are external investors that are coming in, new, fresh investors that are coming in, that are paying a set valuation. Preferably, if there's more than one or a competing set of offers, that establishes what a fair market value is. Fair market value. VC Lingo. Lingo.